I'm Becky Goebel, aka actually it's Axel, and I'm a professional biker rat. Well, I've been in motorcycle world for a really long time. My grandpa is a biker. My grandpa's 81 years old and he still rides 20,000 kilometers every summer. That's like his goal. My dad is a biker, he's a badass. My mom rides. My other side of the family rides. I'm known for so many different things in the motorcycle industry. Like, I started off as being a writer, writing magazine articles, and I still do that. I would just travel around with my friends who are doing fun stuff. They're getting paid to take photos or ride, and I was like, well, I gotta make this work for myself as well. So I started writing articles, which introduced me to so many brands and people and learning more about bikes. And you know, with social media and stuff, you just kind of can make it work for yourself. If you really want to, you can make anything a job. So this is my job. If you're seeing people riding motorcycles and you want to get into it, the best thing to do is take a motorcycle course where you can learn how to ride a bike right and figure out what bike is best for you. Like, I get questions all the time, what's the best first bike? But every single person's body is different, and I've seen every single person ride a motorcycle. Like, every single type of body, every single type of person ride a motorcycle. So everyone can ride. Don't let things that scare you away from it, because those scary things that happen on the road are what makes you a better rider. It's really cool in the motorcycle industry when these successful people, especially dudes, are so supportive of women coming in and like are down to help out and aren't just like, well, I'm the king, like I don't have to deal with you, you know? So I appreciate dudes like Roland and Cody, who helps me at Hog Supply, and like a lot of the other Born Free builders, even Harley Davidson and Dunlop. Like, you need brands and people like that to support you, to show like, I'm strong, I'm here, I'm doing this, and like that will change the industry. Those people are the people that are helping change the industries, the people who support people like me. Dunlop just has this kind of vibe where they're just like, hell yeah, girl, like do whatever you want, you know? And they support me any way that I want. I'm like, yo, I want to race now. You know, I want to build a chopper now. They kind of just let me do whatever I want. And like, that's what I need for a brand to help me progress the industry. They make an awesome product and they are out there doing all the cool stuff in the industry. So like, it's just a perfect match for me. I'm like, stay with me forever.